Please hang up and try again.
Hello, hello. The lock I have today is called a Viro Totem. It's made by the company Viro, which is made in Italy. This specific one is a totem. It's a chain lock, as you see. Pretty cool looking. There's this cap here that you open up. These are the keys. Actually has some good biddings, high and low. This thing is very hefty. It's 2 pounds, and then the length is 83 millimeters from end to end. The core is protected by this free spinning anti-drill plate, as you see. So when putting the key in, you obviously need to line the outside up with the inner core like such. Turn 45 degrees and then you pull out. What this is meant to do is you'll have your chain or whatever you're using to lock up your bike or motorcycle always connected to this padlock in one. This is as far as it pulls out, and then you'll loop it around and put the other side in there and close it up. This is suitable for chains with a diameter of up to 10 millimeters. It's a one-piece case-hardened steel. As I said, it's 2 pounds already. It's very, very heavy, substantial lock. It's 5 pins, and after picking this, I can tell there's 4 spools and 1 standard pin. You won't be able to see down in there, but it's a Yale, typical Yale standard keyway with the little swoop at the top. So I'm going to get this clamped up and we'll see if we can pick it. Okay, I have it clamped up. As you see, it's still working. The hardest part about this is gaining access to it through this little hardened plate. Okay. Okay, that was 2. 1's giving me counter rotation. Okay, I got him set. Okay, 3's giving me some. Got him set. 4. Got him set. Okay. Let me tighten this up a little bit. Okay, what am I missing? I'm not getting any feedback on anything. It's not picked yet. Okay, 2. I'm trying to keep the tip of this on here. It's very easy to slip off. Okay, got him set. I think this might be 4. And that was either 4 or 5. It's probably 5 since I didn't set him originally. Okay. And as you see, got him picked. There we go. Pretty cool lock, I think. I've never seen something like this, this shape. Now you can take this apart to a point. Here, I'm going to lock it back up. There we go. You can take this apart in order, like I said earlier, one chain will always be connected around this, and then you'll have the chain and the lock together, and then you wrap it around and put it through. But in order to get that first chain around this, what you need to do is take this, as you see there's an extra cutout here all the way around. You take the case, or the ring around it, rather, and put it up to that line. And then as you see on this side, there's a little hole. What you want to do is have it unlocked. Take something, stick it down in there, and you can pull out the whole thing. What you're doing is pushing this little spring-loaded indentation down. And as you see, when it's locked, you can see the ball bearing in there right down here. As you can see, when it's locked, it pushes it up into this where you can't push that down. So get that unlocked. And this is also a hardened steel pin, very tough to drill through, and that just goes in a slot right here in the back, like such. Unfortunately, I would have to destroy this outer shell. It's punched right here, so I'm unable to slide this off. And honestly, it's brand new and it was kind of expensive, so I'm not going to destroy this lock just to show what's inside of it. But after picking it, I can tell that pin 2, I believe, is a standard, and then 1, 3, 4, and 5 are all spools. Well, that is that's all I have for you today on the Viro Totem out of Italy, the bike lock. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you will get. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.